Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are sound and healthy at your home. Dear students, welcome back to our online class. This class is arranged only for class 6, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies. This is Abdul Mannan, assistant teacher, Bangladesh and Global Studies. Dear students, our today's topic, today I will discuss about lesson 3 and 4, remarkable organizations for regional cooperation. Dear students, you know, in our previous class we have discussed lesson 3 and 4, remarkable organizations for regional cooperation, SAARC and ASEAN. And today I will talk about remarkable organizations for regional cooperation, European Union, G7 and some other regional organizations. Okay, dear students, take your book, listen attentively and try to understand. Now let's start. European Union, 1993. European Union is an important cooperation organization. This is the most important regional cooperation organizations of the world. This organization was established in 1993. When 1993 European Union was established. You see in the slide logo or emblem of European Union. This is the logo of European Union. European Union. Common market was formed as the first step of cooperation among the West European countries. Then the scope of the common market was expanded as European Union. At first, the Western countries, they have formed common market. This is the first step of European Union. Common market was formed. From that common market of Western European countries, West European countries, European Union was formed. So, European Union was formation of expanded formation of common market of West European countries. European Union was expanded formation of common market of West European countries. So this is the first step of cooperation among the West European countries. They have formed common market. From that common market, European Union was formed in 1993. Okay. Next, member countries of EU. European Union. Member countries of European Union. Okay. Almost all countries of Europe are member countries of European Union. All countries of Europe almost are the member countries of European Union. At present, 27 countries of Europe are the member of European Union. How many countries? 27 countries. Last year, UK, United Kingdom, withdrew from the member countries of European Union. They came out from member countries of European Union last year. So now, the present member are 27. The present member countries of European Union are 27. Okay, you see in the slide a picture, logo of European Union and the map of the member countries and their flag. So, total member countries of European Union now 27. The next slide. Currency of EU, currency of European Union, 1999. The European Union has started their own currency known as euro. I mean, in 1999, European Union has started their own currency. The name of this currency is Euro. You know, Euro is the common currency of European Union. All the countries of European Union use Euro alongside their own currency. They can use Euro alongside their own currency. That means they can use Euro and they also can use their own currency. So Euro is the common currency of European Union countries. What is the name of the currency of European Union? Euro. And all of the member countries, they can use Euro alongside their own currency. You see in the slide the note of Euro currency and the sign of Euro currency is like E and Euro currency note. Okay, the next slide. Main activities of EU. Main activities of European Union. What are the main activities of European Union? Today, the member countries can communicate, settle, and carry on trade and commerce from one country to another freely. That means all of the member countries of European Union, they can communicate easily without visa and passport from one country to another country of European Union. They can also settle any country of European Union very easily without any passport and visa, and they can carry out trade and commerce freely from one country to another country. Free trade economy and free trade market of European Union is the main activities. Free trade market and free trade and commerce. These are the main activities of European Union. The next slide, you see headquarter of EU, headquarter of European Union. The headquarter of EU is situated in Brussels, the capital city of Belgium. The headquarter of EU, European Union headquarter is situated in Brussels city. This is the capital city of Belgium. You see in the slide the outside of the headquarter. This headquarter is situated in the Brussels, the capital city of Belgium. This is the capital city of Belgium, and this is the headquarter of European Union. Okay, the next. Now I have talked about G7. G7 means group of seven. Group of seven. You see in the slide logo or emblem of G7. This is the logo of G7. Okay, dear students, listen attentively. Besides the above mentioned organization of regional cooperation, SAARC, ASEAN, European Union, besides this above mentioned organizations of regional cooperation, there are other regional organizations. For example, the rich, industrially developed and influential countries have formed G7 group. So G7 is the organization of rich, industrially developed and influential countries. So in the world, the country which are the rich, industrially developed and influential, they have formed G7 group. They have formed G7 regional cooperation organization. The member of G7, 7 member, so name is G7, group of 7. So you can easily understand there are 7 member countries, such as USA, United States of America, UK, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Japan, Canada and Italy. 7 countries: USA, UK, Germany, France, Japan, Canada and Italy are the members of this G7 member organization. These 7 countries are the member of G7 organization. Okay, the next slide. Activities of G7. Activities of group of 7. What are the activities of group of 7, or what are the activities of G7? This group, G7 group, not only extends cooperation among the members but also considers extending help and support to the developing nations as of ours. That means G7, their activities not only limited among their member countries but also they have considered extending help and support to the developing nations of ours. Their activities is expanded in the developing country of the world. G7 also considers and discusses important global issues. They also considered, and their work also expanded the important global issues. Expanded in important global issues like change of environment and climate. They have worked about the environment change and climate all over the world. It also discussed to make the world free from poverty, hunger, illiteracy, and poor health, and decided its own strategies. They also conducted their activities, make the world free from poverty. They try to make the world free from poverty, hunger, illiteracy, and poor health, and decides own strategies. They try to free from the world from poverty, hunger, and illiteracy, and poor health, and decides own strategies. These are their activities in their own countries, member countries, and rest of the world. So this is the most influential and powerful organization of the world, group of 7, because this is the rich and industrially developed countries organization. Okay, next slide. Other regional organizations without European Union, G7, other regional organizations are OAU, Organization of African Unity. The elaboration of OAU, Organization of African Unity. Arab League, OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Commonwealth, and NAM. NAM elaboration is non-aligned movement. Non-aligned movement, NAM. Okay, you see in the slide African Union emblem. This is the African Union emblem, OAU. Then you see Arab League emblem. This is the logo of Arab League. You see OIC emblem, logo of OIC. And you see the Commonwealth emblem. This is the logo of Commonwealth. And this is the logo of NAM, non-aligned movement. NAM elaboration is non-aligned movement. This is the emblem of NAM. And you see the headquarter of Arab League. Headquarter of Arab League. This is situated in Cairo, Egypt. Cairo city of Egypt. This is situated Cairo city of Egypt. The next, you see the headquarter of OIC. OIC headquarter is situated Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Jeddah city of Saudi Arabia. And the last one, you see the headquarter of Commonwealth. This is the headquarter of Commonwealth, and this is situated in London, UK. London city of UK, United Kingdom. So the Commonwealth headquarter is situated in London. Okay, the next slide. OAU, I mean Organization of African Unity, Arab League. OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, Commonwealth. And NAM, elaboration, non-aligned movement. Okay, dear students, you see from your book, listen attentively. The African countries have formed Organization of African Unity, OAU, Organization of African Unity. So this organization is African Continent Organization. Almost all of the African countries are the member country of this organization. So African countries have formed Organization of African Unity. Organization of African Unity. This is the African Continent Organization. The Organization of Arab Countries is the Arab League. Arab countries formed a organization. The name of the organization is Arab League. I mean the country, their language is Arabic. Arabic language country, their mother language is Arabic. They have formed this organization, name is Arab League. The Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, Islamic Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, is the organization of the Muslim countries. All of the Muslim countries of the world, they have formed a organization, a regional organization, name is OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation. This organization is Muslim countries organization. Bangladesh attained the membership of the OIC in 1974. So you know Bangladesh also the member of OIC, and Bangladesh attained in the OIC in 1974. When? 1974. Important information, you students. In 1974, Bangladesh attained in OIC as the member of OIC. Commonwealth has been formed by the countries of the British colony which are now independent. Commonwealth, another regional cooperation organization, and this organization have been formed by the countries of the British colony which are now independent. That means the country which was the under colony or under British colony, but now they are independent. By this country, this organization have been formed. Commonwealth have been formed by this country. The country which are independent from the British colony, by this country, this organization is formed. Commonwealth is formed by these countries. Non-aligned movement, NAM, non-aligned movement, has been formed by the countries who are not members of any military association. In the world, the country who are not member of any military association, they have formed a regional cooperation organization. The name of that organization is NAM, non-aligned movement. So non-aligned movement has been formed by the countries who are not members of any military association. Bangladesh is an important member of non-aligned movement. Our country, Bangladesh, is an important member of non-aligned movement because Bangladesh is not the member of any military association of the world. So Bangladesh is the member of NAM, non-aligned movement. Okay, the next slide. Bilateral cooperation agreement. Bilateral cooperation agreement. Dear students, in addition, with the above mentioned regional cooperation organization, SAARC, ASEAN, European Union, G7, OIC, Arab League, Commonwealth, NAM, and Organization of African Union, with this regional cooperation, bilateral cooperation agreement is signed between two countries for mutual cooperation. Bilateral cooperation agreement is signed between two countries. Why? For mutual cooperation within the two countries. So they sign the bilateral agreement, bilateral cooperation agreement. At present, this type of agreement is on the rise. At present, now this type of agreement is on the rise because this agreement of bilateral cooperation is the most effective one in the field of cooperation. At present, this is the most important and effective agreement because for mutual cooperation within the countries. So at present, this type of agreement is on the rise because this agreement of bilateral cooperation is the most effective one in the field of cooperation. Most effective one, most effective agreement in the field of cooperation within the countries, within two countries. This is the bilateral cooperation agreement. Okay, dear students, already we have completed our chapter 12. So you will read carefully and try to understand and find out all of the important information as a MCQ for your upcoming exam. Okay. Homework SW. Dear students, I have given some homework for you. You will prepare and complete this homework at your home. At first, read thoroughly these regional organizations. At first, you will read thoroughly these regional organizations. I mean European Union, G7, I mean Group of 7, OAU, OIC, Arab League, Commonwealth and NEM. You will read thoroughly at first. Then you will find out important information from this organization. Then you will prepare, you will write a short note about European Union because this is the most important and most influential economic regional cooperation organization, European Union. So you will write a short note about European Union. Then you will write a short note about G7. This is also most important regional cooperation organization, G7, and it is also influential organization. So you will write short note about G7, I mean Group of 7. Okay, you will prepare this short note and you will find out the most important information from this organization. Okay, dear students, it's all for today. Thank you all.